the ins and outs of making money online. Since computer communication has become so popular, there are many people who have turned to it to make money. It can be very lucrative if you know what you are doing. This video will provide you with some great starting points. Continue to do your research and you will have a steady income online. If you write, try writing on sites like InfoBarrel and Squidoo. Both of these sites let you write on your favorite topics, and you get a split of the incoming revenue. You will also be a part of the affiliate program with Amazon, which can make you more money. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Check for online money-making opportunities through Google. You will instantly receive a broad list of opportunities. After you identify something of interest to you, make sure to perform your due diligence before jumping in. Always exercise caution when affiliating yourself with any online enterprise. Consider domain name flipping. In fact, it could be quite lucrative. It's the same concept as buying real estate, but what you are buying is a web address with a great name. Obtain the latest trends in keywords by utilizing Google AdSense and similar sites. Buy domains that will use an acronym. Invest in domains which will pay off in the end. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. Working online takes the know-how and commitment. These suggestions are a great place for you to begin. Once you start making money online, you will surely meet others doing the same thing. You will be part of an ever-growing community of people. Get started today making your own online cash. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.